Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today, girl, I have something special for y'all, all my Fenty Beauty lovers. Okay, so we have, oh my gosh, excuse me, we have 3 goodies from Rihanna's holiday collection. I got everything but one thing, which was the lip gloss set. However, that one is still available, and it was like $48, I think, or $40 for, I think there was 6 or 8 different ones. Super beautiful. The first thing that we have is the Bomb Baby 2 collection, which comes with the mini lip and face set. So it's the highlights. This one is in what's the shade again? It's a kilowatt foil. Where is it? The name is, well, keep watching and you'll find out the name of it. And then also the gloss Sweet Mouth. And then we have the gorgeous lip color, which I'm wearing, and this is called Underdog. And you keep watching, you can see how it applies, the swatch, how much it is, all that good stuff. And then we have the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, which, girl, they usually have the full size one about this big, but this one you'll see how much comes in here, and I'll show you how I apply it, what it smells like, and all that stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoy this little mini tutorial, try on, review, all that good stuff, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comments. Thank you, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so we are officially in the holiday season, which means lots of goodies at Sephora, at Ulta. Things that you would normally pay a lot more for, you can get like in bundles, and or you can get smaller versions of. So here's one, and it's got the little thing like this, the little whatever it's called, ribbon, so you can hang it. I know a lot of people are definitely excited to be able to get little mini versions of, oh my gosh, look at the mini body lava. I'm so excited for this. You just have no idea. I haven't even opened it, but I did try it on at the store. The bottle is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let me just show you up close what these glitters look like. Can you see it? Okay, hold on. I have to. And it's got the rose gold top. Here, let me show you. Come on. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Let's see what it looks like. Now I don't have the thing that goes with it, the brush. Ooh, it feels so good. I'm gonna be putting that all over my body in this video, all over my chest. I actually should take off my sweater because it's gonna go everywhere. Okay. So let's go ahead and do our makeup really quickly, nothing crazy, just so I can get my face ready to put on this gorgeousn's. Okay, so we have the Pharmacy CC cream that I already put on my face. This is in the color medium to dark 04. If anyone is interested, Pharmacy is like a Turkish makeup company, and they're really, really good. So I like their stuff. I'm gonna use their face palettes to do my eyes. Oh, let me put on my primer. My, what's it called? Pro to Fit eyeshadow primer. This is what it looks like. It reminds me a lot of MAC's Painterly Pot. That's like what it looks like, at least. So I already have my CC cream. I like the CC cream because it's very lightweight. It smells really good, and it also helps with my discoloration and scars, cover them up. Like, you can't see any of them, and I have quite a bit right now because me and my husband moved a few months ago, and since then, like, my skin has just been breaking out like crazy, probably all like stress related. It's been a good move, but you know, it's always stress. And then, like, I took on a new business venture a few weeks ago and all that good stuff. But anyways, okay, so now I'm going to take, we have like these really cute makeup brushes. They're like leopard print. How cute are these? So I had to get some, and I'm gonna just use the Pharmacy blend. It's like kind of like a blending brush between blending and a precision brush, which I like. And I'm just gonna take the 3-in-1 face palette, and this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna use the bronzing shade right here. So I'm using the ink pen liner by Pharmacy. I really like this liner, super easy to use, and it's like a felt tip. The crease area. So no like brush weirdness. And then putting on my mascara. I love mascara, way better than Falsies. And here I'm just filling in my brows with the Pharmacy brow pomade and the brow line brush we have. So good, so easy to use, especially with that brush. And here's one brow done, and yeah. Okay, so now that our makeup is finito for the most part, obviously we still gotta do all the other goodies. I'm gonna put on, we're gonna open the Fenty, it's Balm Baby 2 Mini Lip and Face Set. It's got the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter, as well as the Gloss Balm and Universe Lip Luminizer. So beautiful. Let me see what the prices were for you. Okay, so this Body Lava set, the Balm Baby 2 set was $24. So yay, that's like a really good price. All right, we're going to, first I'm gonna put on the gloss. This is, oh, it's called Sweet Mouth. I couldn't see it, but let me show you what it looks like up close. It's that beautiful, the same gorgeous packaging that she has. I love it. I love these new applicators on a lot of the glosses. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. And that is what it looks like. If you can see, it's like a baby pink color kind of with, ooh, that's so pretty. And it smells so good. Her glosses, the smell of her glosses is my favorite. I love the Diamond Milk. That's like one of my favorite glosses. They did have a holiday, I think, of like a 6-pack of mini glosses, and Diamond Milk was in there. So go get you one, girl, because once they're gone, they gone. Rambling on. Ooh. Okay, so that is the Sweet Mouth gloss. Next, we're gonna do the, oh, my bun's getting cut out. We're gonna do the Sandcastle Kilowatt Foil highlight. Oh, I'm trying to open it. 1 minute. So I'll do a up close. I'm gonna zoom out, but I'll do it up close as well for y'all. Make sure the lighting's good. So I've actually never tried this highlight. Don't you just love how there's like the FB in there? I just think that's so pretty. But this is what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, it's like kind of like a pinky chrome color. Okay, so let's go ahead and do oh, I'm gonna use my Pharmacy what's it called, brush. I love this brush, and I'm just going to dip it in there like this. You can see it picked up a lot, and ooh, oh, that's pretty. Okay, I put a little too much on. Let me see. Wow, that is pigmented. I put way too much on, because in the front it looks like almost brownish. Let me see. I'm gonna use a clean brush to see if I can diffuse it a bit. It's really pretty, but you don't need that much, as you can see. And I'm just gonna put a little here. Sorry, I only use this brush because it works really well at picking up the product, but good lord, this is a very pigmented highlight. Just, it's kind of a gray tone as well, so like I like it, but I feel like it almost makes my face look like gray in the front, so don't really put it all over the face. I'm actually gonna put, I feel like I like it a lot though. You need it in your collection, trust me. Fenty Beauty highlights are all good, but just be really careful when you are using it. What do you guys think? You like it? Yay, nay, maybe? I'm actually gonna put on a little bronzer. I'm gonna use the Tarte Park Ave Princess palette because I really like this palette. I like there's so many different bronzers that I like, but this one I like because I feel like it has so many different shades for so many skin tones. So like you can get this palette and do your friend's makeup, do your makeup. Oh god, I had too much gloss on. It's all good. That will help this not look so odd, like pale and stuff. Okay, so we're done with that. Take it off my nose a little. Perfect. What do you guys think? Set of paints and Underdog, and this is supposedly a one-stroke intensity, longwear matte finish, unrivaled precision wand. Oh, what's happening? Okay, we're good. So it opens like this, cute, and it's kind of like a sticky base, I guess, or I don't know. But this is what it looks like. Super pretty. Let me do a swatchy swatch for you. Ooh, look at that color. Oh girl, that color is giving me life. Okay, let's get these lips clean. Where's my makeup remover? Oh, there it is. We're taking off the gloss. I love this gloss. I may actually wear this all day today. So all right. Zoom in. Ooh. Ooh, girl, this color is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for the holiday season. It's perfect for any season, to be honest. But I really like this color. It's like a dark brown burgundy shade. Yeah, that's literally like how I would describe it. And it's got like a hint of like, well, it's burgundy, so burgundy has a hint of red in it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. The consistency is nice. It's not necessarily kiss or transfer proof, but I don't think she claims that. But anyways, I love it so much. What do you guys think? Give this video a thumbs up if you're liking this lip color, in honor of this lip color, okay? So next we're gonna do
winner number one.
Clothes.
Congratulations.
Body Glow, which I'm gonna be using this all the time. So first I'm gonna take a brush. I think I'm gonna use, do I have a clean powder brush? I'm gonna use this one because I feel like it's the main clean one that I have. This kind of looks like jelly to me, but Okay, so we're gonna put this all over my chesticles, my chest. Ooh, oh my gosh, can you see? Hold on, let me get the camera to go down just a bit. Is it working? Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love it because it looks like an inner glow as well. Can you guys see? Ooh, it smells good too. Who needs clothes, right? I'm gonna put this on from heavy today. This will be really nice, honestly, all year round, but especially in the summertime. But it smells so good. So not only are you glittery, but your boo is gonna be like, ooh girl, what you got on? You smell nice and delicious. So this comes with, oh, by the way, the lipstick was $15. The Body Lava was also $24. So this was $24, and so was the Body Lava. It was also $24. So yay to affordable makeup and body glow. You get so much in this. Like seriously, this is a steal, girl. You need to go get you one right now. Stop what you're doing, go to Sephora and get you one. Okay,
yes, winner number 2, girl.
Back in the box.
I'm so excited.
And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I feel like that's everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. What do you guys think? What's your favorite? The Body Lava, the Bomb Baby 2 set, or the beautiful Stunna lip paint? I'm obsessed with the lip paints. I honestly don't know which one is my favorite. I think it is going to be the gloss and the Sweet Mouth gloss, and I think the Body Lava. I mean, I don't know, this color is so pretty. I don't know. Okay, I feel like it's all a tie. Like, I'm just happy I got all of them. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Hey, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos. Also, follow me, girl. And check out my blog, luxlips.com. Mwah.